Hey everyone, this is Rob Valencius, Director of Agent Training here over at Pinnacle Financial Services. Wanted to take a quick second to just talk to everybody, do a quick video here. We're getting a lot of calls from agents, obviously concerned with the coronavirus and COVID-19, and I wanted to show you something that we offer all of our agents. I'm not going to go through the whole program. You can actually call in and reach out to a sales director to kind of do one of these. We're actually doing webinars every other day or every day, sometimes twice a day, for a bunch of the different products that we have available here. But what I'm going to talk a little bit about today is Connect4Medicare, which is our proprietary online quoting software for Medicare Advantage, prescription drug plans, and Medicare supplements. And I wanted to kind of show you where to navigate. If you are contracted with Pinnacle Financial Services or you're new and looking to contract, you do get access to this as soon as you're certified, ready to sell and appointed for any of the major carriers. I wanted to show you how you can actually utilize this software to create a website. We do these meetings all across the country, and one thing that does stand out to me is the fact that there's a lot of people that don't have their own websites. So I wanted to take the time out and kind of show you a very quick, easy, and efficient way to do that. So this way you guys could, theoretically solicit business online and, kind of help you, through these tough times. So I'm going to show you how to navigate. So to get there, this is our website. It's pfs.paulfranksaminsurance.com. You would go to the online enrollment tab. You would click Connect4Medicare. You click visit the website. Now, obviously, we're in 2020. We keep 2019 because this site does change every year with the new certifications, new companies. So you'd click 2020 site. We do have a dummy username in here, but this would be credentials that we create at Pinnacle for you. Now, this is just the standard look. This is kind of like its own little client retention management system or CRM. And this will load up every single time. It's going to show you your completed enrollments by plan type, as you start profiles, if you've completed them or if you've just started them, some different enrollments by plan types. But I want to talk to you real quick today about, it's going to be under my account. And it's this right here. URL to link to. So this is your custom client-facing side to Connect4Medicare. So there's two parts. There's the client-facing side and the agent-facing side. The agent-facing side is what we were just logged into. It's not very pretty. There's not many pictures, but it does give you the ability to just quickly enroll someone while you're there or over the phone. This link, you could do a couple different things. For those of you that do not have a website, you could go to, I have it up here already, GoDaddy.com, and you could, I was obviously just picking a couple different ones here, but you can go in and search for different domains to create. Okay, this one's taken, but there's some other things here. Once you buy a domain, you could connect this link to the domain, and I will show you an example. This is my Pinnacle website. I literally just bought mymedicare.expert and I attached it to my link. So should a client find me online, they can go in, they can enroll themselves with whatever I'm contracted, certified, and appointed with. That's what will show up, and enroll themselves, and I get credit for it. I'm the agent of record, and I get the commission. So it's a simple way to do that. Now, if you already have a website, you could jump on there, and you could create a button that says Enroll Now. So it's fairly straightforward way to create a website. This is something you have access to right away, and it's, obviously with social distancing and not being able to see clients face to face, this could be a real easy way for you to capture business. This has an e-scope feature. There's a lot of really cool things built in. We are actually going to be having a webinar tomorrow at 11 a.m. To do an in-depth dive into this. So if you're, kind of really thinking about ways to market yourself, we will talk more in depth about this. So I just wanted to touch base and talk to you guys about that. And if you like what we have to say, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on all the social media, and we're going to have as much info pouring out daily on every topic in the senior market. So we're a partner. We're not an upline. You could call us an FMO if you like. We have all the top contracts, but we really want to just help you grow and help you sustain your business, especially during this crazy time, during the pandemic. So thanks for taking the time out of your day to listen and watch my video, and definitely going to have a lot more. Thanks.